my new sled here. It's a 2017 Pro RMK 155 with the 2.6 paddle, 800. Pretty much a base model.
Perfect.
So, about 2.5 months after I first tore this thing apart for powder coating, it is finally finished. I am absolutely stoked with how it turned out. It looks amazing. Big thank you to Graphic Enterprises and Vernon for designing and installing the wrap. They did an absolutely incredible job. And once again to Galaxy Powder Coating out in Lumby. They also did an amazing job on the powder coating. It turned out absolutely amazing. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for the build series for a little bit. There might be one more video about it with the exhaust. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a SLP kit on it. It's kind of expensive, and honestly I don't think I would notice the power gains. So I'll probably just do a can on it just to make it sound better. And if you've made it this far in the build series, thank you so much for watching. This is like part 5 or something like that. Yeah, it's been quite the process, and I am very blessed to be able to do stuff like this. It is, yeah, I'm very grateful. So anyway, more videos to come. I'm gonna be hopefully doing uploads every other week, or every other weekend I should say, from now until about December. And then in December I'll hopefully be doing once a week, like I did last season when sled season hits here. So very excited for that. This camera's getting very heavy. Hold it with the other hand now. So yeah, stick around. Please subscribe if you haven't already, if you're considering it. It definitely doesn't go unnoticed. I don't know if that was a weird thing to say. So yeah, comment, like, love to hear from you guys, and let me know what you guys think of the sled. It's yeah, I know I like it, so I don't know. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in a dirt biking video soon. Peace.